Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Kids, first we're opening colors. Stay with us. Yes, silver color. And the next one is white color. Kids, now we open the color of sky blue. And the next one is, yes, yellow color. Kids, the next one is, yes, light pink color. The next one is Persian blue color. Now we open the color of blue color. The next one is, yes, brown color. And the next one is dark green color. Red color. The next one is, yes, light green color. Black color. Dark pink color. Kids, the next one is, and the last one is orange color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F. The next one is G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. First we're using the color of, yes, red color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A. And the next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. D for dog, E for egg. F for fish. The next one is G. Blue color. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. Using the color of blue. I, J, K for kite. L. The next one is M for moon, M for mango. Orange color. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. O, P, Q, R. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.